everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a minimalist eye look using drugstore products. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in, I already put concealer on my eyelids when I did my face. So we're going to get started and we're going to go in with my creme brulee. You can get this at Walmart for 93 cents, I believe. And I'm just going to put this all over my lid. The whole thing. Just to brighten that up, cover up anything that the concealer didn't cover. I actually put my face powder on my eyelids too, just to set it. This sets it, because I have to do this because it's just the way I am. So creme brulee, 93 cents. I don't know how much this costs because I didn't look it up. This is the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Powder. This is a powder foundation which I use to contour with. So this is something I'm already using. I don't have to buy extra. And I'm going to use this as my crease color today. Oh, somebody asked me to tell you my brushes. This is a Morphe brush. This is a Morphe 505. Morphe 505. And it's just a fluffy brush, so this is what it looks like. But I'm sure you can get probably on an e.l.f., but I really like Morphe brushes. And I'm just going to put this in my crease, and then I'm going to darken the outer part of my lid just to help pull that back in, which actually my eyes are so deep set, and that's why I have to pull it up a bit. But I just want a shadow there. And then I have this skin here that likes to hang down, so I'm going to try and pull that back a little by darkening it. And that's all I'm going to do. I'm going to pull it in a little bit further because it's so light. That's all I'm going to do with that. And then I'm going to take my fluffy brush and just make sure there was no fallout, because that's what you tend to have with the less expensive powders, is just a lot more fallout, which doesn't bother me a bit. Now I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Tattoo Studio. Okay, I'm going to go in and push line with this Maybelline Tattoo Studio. And to push line, you just put your little finger on your eyelid and you push. And the eyelid kind of turns up like that. And you just draw between the lashes. And then I'm going to go on the top, nice and close. Then when I get out to the outer corner, I'm going to make it a little thicker so that I can pull that up. Now I'm going to go in with a flat brush And this is a Morphe 432 flat brush. And just smudge that out. Which is what I always do when I use a gel liner on top. That means I'm just going to smudge it. And I always end up pulling it up out in the outer corner, because that helps to lift the eye. I need that lift. Make sure you go and smudge down in the eyelash, because you want to spread that around too. Now I'm going to go in with my Lash Paradise mascara, and that'll be it. That's why I said this is a minimalist look. What do we use? We use liner, 2 shadows. That's it. Liner and 2 shadows so far. And then mascara. And that's it for the eyes. So, I'm going to go off camera to do my lashes because I always make a mess and have to take time to clean it up. So, I'll be back in just a moment. Okay guys, I am back. This is our final look for the day. When I went off camera, all I did was add mascara. I used the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. And I put on 2 coats, only on the top. I didn't put anything on the bottom because it's a Disney princess thing. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!